This is a very interesting question. Can you solve 8 squared minus 9 squared times 2 divided by 2? 8 squared means 64, right? 8 times 8 equals 64, right? So minus 9 squared means 81 times 2 divided by 2. Now 64 minus 81 equals 17 times 2 divided by 2. Now 17 times 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 70 times 1 equals 17. This is correct or wrong, but follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So parentheses must be done before exponent and multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so inside the parentheses first. So 8 squared minus 9 squared times 2 divided by 2 equals 1, right? Now exponent first. So 8 squared means 8 times 8 equals 64 minus 9 squared means 81 times 1. Now multiply first, right? So 64 minus 81 times 1 equals 81. Now 64 minus 81 equals 11 and 6, 17. Minus 17.